Baby Cro. Today we suggest you to overview Britax Romer Evolva 123 Sl Sict car seat together with us. This car seat model has been trusted for more than 10 years. It received the Silver Award from the Mother and Baby Awards 2018 and was recognized as the best car seat amongst those set in the direction of movement of the car. The name of the car seat speaks for itself, because it is easily transformed from the first to the second and the third category. The car seat will serve you and the baby for a long period, from 9 months up to 12 years. Take a look for yourself. Specifications. The car seat is designed for children aged from 9 months to 12 years, which corresponds to the weight of 9 to 36 kilograms and the height of 80 to 145 centimeters. The system of the car seat installation in the car is a soft latch ISOFIX, that is ISOFIX with belts. To get the system, open the pockets on both sides of the car seat and press the button inside. Pull the fixing in the back of the lower part of the car seat. In this way, you will get the ISOFIX fixing. The car seat is attached directly to the seat of your vehicle. After the ISOFIX installation, fix the car seat by pulling the belts in the side pockets, after which you can hide them and close the pockets. The car seat can be installed in the car seat with the ISOFIX fixing, and you can also fix it with the 3-point safety belt. To do this, you need to pass the upper part of the belt along the guiding point near the head restraint, and lower part along the red guiding point in the lower part of the car seat, and pass the seat with the baby through additional holes in the car seat on both sides of the seat. This car seat is installed only in the direction of movement of the car. You will be able to fix your baby in the car seat with the 5-point mounted safety belt until it reaches a weight of 18 kilograms. The belts can be adjusted. To loosen them, you need to press the button under the upholstery in the front part of the car seat and pull the belts. And to tighten them, just use the additional belt in the front. The click and save system with the click of the button allows the parents to understand when the child is securely fixed in the car seat. When your child will be more than 18 kilograms and up to 36, it is fixed with a 3-point safety belt. Your baby will be protected as much as possible in case of side collisions due to the advanced Sict side protection technology. You should install it on the side that is closer to the car door. The system itself should be unscrewed. The special design of the car seat, namely its high backrest, provides 3 levels of protections for the baby. The head and the neck are securely protected due to the soft and comfortable head restraint. The space from the neck to the hips corresponds to the wide and soft sides, and the upper and lower guiding points guarantee the correct safety belts position. The angle of inclination of the car seat can be changed. To do this, you need to push back the additional stand under the car seat. Now the child will be able to play and relax on the trip. During the production of this large head restraint and breast shells, soft and pleasing to the touch fabric are used, which contributes to the increased comfort of your child. Also, the head restraint is adjusted in several positions along the height with the safety belts to fit your baby. You can adjust the head restraint even when the child is in the car seat. Just press the handle on the back of the car seat and pull it up or down. Also, when the baby grows up a little, reaching a weight of 18 kilograms and having to remove the safety belts, the head restraint can be further adjusted in height by means of the additional button behind the head restraint. The cover is quickly removed. That is why, in case of impurity, it is easy to put in order. By the way, washing in a delicate mode in the washing machine does not damage it. The weight of this car seat is 8.6 kilograms. That is 600 grams heavier than the previous Evolva 123 model. All information regarding operation can be found on the back of the product. Thus, the Britax Romer Evolva 123 Sl Sict car seat, in comparison with the previous version of Evolva 123, has additional facilities, such as the Sict safety system and the additional way of attachment to the car using the ISOFIX fixing. This one will replace the Baby Cro seat and can be used until the age of 12 of your child. Multifunctional, it will be suitable for any car because it can be mounted in different ways. The car seat is changed with your baby, and you will not have to make excessive efforts to do this. Hopefully this overview was helpful to you. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon!